Go, Rick.
Whoa, you gotta do.
And she's still doing it.
Where the hell is the train?
No, oh my God, look at that. I think I got a cramp in my butt.
That's my train.
I'm laughing too much. This video is gonna be all shaky.
What's the bring the dance?
Shaky, 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 shaky.
The God's on my hand. Get on the plane. Get on the plane. Go, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Greg, is the light on?
Yes, I am short. I am very short. Fine, let's go. No, this is so funny. My hair. My hair. Why you see my hair? I'm seeing my hair. You see my hair? I'm seeing my hair every time.
Why is it upside down?
Okay, she's upside down now. Give me this. Say mommy! Say I'm your mother! Okay, you done now? You done now? Did you come in?
No.
No, keep running. They're good now. That's it.
You should stand up and hit that thing.
Stand up!
How are people on the train? Besides Sabrina?
Oh my God, can you believe what happened today? Like totally making. Oh my God, like that fat girl just came up out of nowhere. She went and got her shit wrong. She got oh boy. She got her shit wrong? I missed that. Jesus Christ. No, you don't do it. Jesus Christ. Boy. Oh mami, sino? Sorry, mamacita. Oh, Beth, calm. Jump in my arm, I can put you sit on right there. Calm, Beth, calm. Calm now, Beth, calm. Jump. He's snorting. Slap your squad up.
Look, my jacket is gonna get caught.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Don't bang!
You was licking the train.
You was in the freaking train! Ain't nobody licking the thing. You're retarded. You're gonna sit there.
Sabrina was licking the train.
People probably think she's the black guy with the old train.
Sabrina was licking the train today. Well, you know what I mean?
Wait, he drives the train?
I forgot. What? You keep showing these for? What happened?
Hopefully one day if I keep doing that, I will keep following. So the man said, right? The man went to say, tell the man, oh, skateboarding, you know what happened? No. You been a Lexi train?
Yeah, I dare you.
Hell no, you crazy. Bye.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
Nah, then man come back out. The man like I want to text me home. He tell me walk. Walk and go. I look at the lady there. I look at the lady there. 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 What's that? Look at the lady there. Boom, choo, 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 choo.
Dollar.
Dollar.
This one for $1. Go walk around, get $1 now. Go walk around, get $1. Oh, shit.
Oh, you gotta remember my jacket. I got bread in it. 2 loaves of bread.
You got 2 bread.
2 bread. 10 bread. 4 bread. 10 bread. 10 the straw. What am I cockroach, right? Hey, not show them people in that video.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
I know these people must be happy to get us over here. Yes, it is, because as soon as I go home, I'm going to sleep. Yeah, we just can't go sleep. Can't come in here. Somebody got me hyped. Man, you see, you just came from school. You're supposed to be happy you came out of school. Get on that train, go home. Take a couple of shots before we go home and sleep the night out. Nah.
I want to try to jump the first.
What, now that you leaving? All the things you were saying you could leave, right?
Shut up! It's better. I want to trouble.
Wait, let all these wait, all the folks gotta pass through. Come
Yeah, I'm
on, pass them, come on, pass them.
There we go.
I missed.
Wait, how do you jump to this?
Oh, I did it!